guys, it's me, Quayla. So I wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick introduction to this next video because it doesn't feature me at all. And I don't want you guys to be like, who is this dude on Quayla's video? Like, who is this dude? So a company called Jak E-Cig reached out to me and they asked me if I would want to try their e-cigarette. Now, I don't smoke personally, but my husband does. And so when they reached out to me, I thought, you know what, this might be a great way to try and see if my husband can get off of, you know, smoking his cigars and things like that. I asked him and my husband said, yeah, it's no big deal, I'll try it. So my husband got a chance to give it a try today. So that is what we are here all about today. So if you have a partner, a lover, or you yourself are a smoker and you're maybe trying to kind of move away from actually smoking and you want to have the convenience of a product such as an e-cigarette, then you definitely want to go ahead and go to www.jakecig.com. So anyway, my husband got a chance to try these out and just kind of decide how he felt about them. And so you guys go ahead and watch that video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have anybody who is actually a smoker, let them know about this product. It costs $7.99 per one of these, but one of these is, which is equivalent to 800 puffs, which is equivalent to 4 packs, and ain't nobody got time to be spending all that money on some cigarettes, so.
What's going on, y'all? My name is Gino. I'm Quayla's husband. She has a product to review of e-cigarettes, and since she don't smoke, you get stuck with me. I smoked cigarettes from 16 to about 35, where I quit, and I started smoking cigars for a little bit. I've been seeing e-cigs around for a while, but haven't never really tried them. So this will be a new experience for both of us if you have never tried one. So we got Jak E-Cigs, and we got a flavor peach, regular, and vanilla. I don't like vanilla, so we're gonna go ahead and save that for the next person. Actually, the packaging is really nice. I thought e-cigs were more like smaller, but this one's a big one. It has 800 puffs per one. I don't know if that's standard, but that seems like quite a bit. So it looks like you just drop that bottom. It seems pretty sturdy, like you could even put it in your pocket and it won't bend. Let's give this a try. I guess you're gonna do nothing else, but let's see.
Whoa.
This is the peach one. It like I said, it's my first time doing this, but it don't taste bad. Actually, it feels like you really smoke it, but I've never tried this. It's just it's a weird feeling because I don't know. You know, flick that thing. It's really smooth. It's not making me feel like I got a choke or anything. Interesting. It does taste like peach, which is a good thing. Like there's no ash. You got to get messy with it. I mean, it's creative packaging. Here goes a regular one. You can put a pack of cigarettes unless you got a box. You know, they get all smashed up and bent around, and you can most definitely tell that this is in your pocket. It's even if it gets bent around, it's not gonna get smashed. It actually looks pretty much like a big ass cigarette. Let's taste this one, see how it go. It feels like you blow it out real smoke though. This is like crazy to me because I never tried this before. If it's not Jak E-Cig, it's Jak E-Cig. So I like the design of this one better. It doesn't really have a cigarette type smell. I don't really smell anything as it comes out. Most definitely has that same feel of smoking. Even at $7.99, it's very well priced for 800 puffs. It's probably something like if you work at a high rise downtown or something, can't really get out to smoke, and you know it's kind of embarrassing to always go out and smoke and take a long time. They always wondering like where's such and such at? Where's such and such at? And you try to sneak out and smoke. Take this to the bathroom, smoke, you get your little fix, and it won't leave the smell of cigarette smoke when you go back in. You know, you just go right back in, but somebody might see the smoke, but they're not gonna smell nothing. That's something my wife always notices when I come in from smoking is the residual smell, and this leaves no scent. After your 800 puffs, go online to jakecig.com and be able to get refills. 800 puffs do last a long time, but they're not forever. When you run out, you could go ahead and do the Jak E-Cig starter kit special for $14.99. It comes with 2 cartridges, a USB cable, and one of these. So after your 800 puffs, you just go ahead and plug, do what you do, and get you 1600 more. So as far as the flavors for the starter kit, one of these will be included, which is the regular, which is the one I'm smoking. Also, they have menthol, berry, coffee. I will be interested to see what the menthol tastes like. They smoke menthol cigarettes, so I wonder if it's the same kind of taste to it. But these taste like the real deal. So, and I also will be interested in the coffee. I don't even drink coffee, but I like how coffee smells, so that'll be interesting. First one I tried was the peach, and the peach was very flavorful from the classic hookah line. And these are 16 mg, 800 puffs.
And you must be 21.
They also have blueberry, which I would like to try the blueberry, fireball, and watermelon. To be honest with you, I probably would go with those flavors because I'm used to more smoking cigars. So if I wanted to get off cigars, I would go to the more flavor because they could even be messy. The cigars I smoke always leaves a lot of smoke on me. So when I come to kiss my wife or she smells it, so that would be good if you're trying to get off cigars. I would actually probably use this because I'm more of a cigar smoker and it gives me the flavor that I'm used to getting. So with the blueberry, the watermelon, the peach, and things like that, that's more. But like I said, when I was smoking cigarettes, this would have helped me stop smoking instead of the stuff that I did with the patches and the gum and all that, because it does have that feel. You're still getting your satisfaction. Give them a try, man. They have a whole bunch of different things you can check out. And whatever fits for you. You go with the peach, the blueberry, the watermelon, very flavorful. If you're just trying to get a little change from cigarettes, because cigarettes are getting so expensive that, 800 puffs, this is equivalent to 4 packs of cigarettes at $7.99. You know how expensive packs of cigarettes are. Sure, that's like a pack right now. So 800 puffs is a pretty good deal. That look cool when you smoke, no matter if it's an e-cig or regular cig, have fingers positions and stuff. Somebody look like, hey, what's up, player? Hey, yeah, hold on real quick. All right now. And then somebody talking junk, you always blow smoke in their face like, what? So it gives you a good amount of smoke. They have multiple choices, multiple flavors, startup kits, everything you need.
Guys, go ahead and check out the website. Check out my husband testing this product out, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. Don't forget to comment down below if you have these, if you try them, if you like them, how do you like your e-cigarettes? If you use them, do they help you kind of smoke less? What is your e-cigs doing for you? And also subscribe if you're new to my channel. I can't wait to see you in my next video.